It's your girl Chingling in this thing.
Let's tell all smoke stokes, man.
Y'all, we are here. A lot of y'all probably wonder, what is he doing with his head? He is actually dreading his hair, y'all. We decided to start his dreads with twists because he had a little length, and we just figured that that was the easiest way for us, or this is the method that we chose to use. There are many ways that you can start your dreads. You can do two-strand twists, comb coils. It's a lot of different methods that you can use. Interlocking.
Two-strand.
But this is what we did. We did the two-strand twist. So I'm just gonna let y'all join me in my little section for this retwist. What we're going to be using is this Jamaican mango and lime locking wax. We are also going to be using these type of clips. Okay. So you're gonna need a lot of these if you're doing dreads. We wanted to bring something different to the channel. You feel me? Right, baby? You about to be fine, right? Keith?
I already am, but
you about to be finer. We know you fine, daddy, okay? But you be about to be fine as hell with your hair done. Yo, you me when we do this twist. Enough talking. I'ma zoom in. We're gonna let y'all see me do this retwist. This is how I do his retwist. So let's get started. Let me give y'all before real quick. Meant to let y'all know we are starting on damp hair, so this is something you would do like right after you wash the hair. I wouldn't suggest you to wash it if you are just starting with shorter hair and have coils, comb coils, but since we have two-strand twist, yes, he can wet his hair, and we are about to start this retwist up. This method that you guys see me doing, this is called the palm twist or palm roll. I start at the root by twisting the hair. After I twist it and join all the hair together, I give it a palm twist or palm roll to make it super tight. So y'all look at this. We came back and I twisted these together because he decided that he wanted them to be crinkly. So this is what I do when you want them to be crinkly. But as far as you guys, you can continue to go with the clips. But I also do this 2-strand twist method. So what I do is I take the dreads and I twist them together against each other. And pretty much once they dry, and with this method you don't need any clips for them to dry. But what you do once they dry is you take them down and they are crinkly. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that really quickly. Because as you see, I already started. So I decided to go ahead and show y'all this method too. So what I do is I add product as usual. Now some people, it might be easier for you to use one clip. You may need some sort of clip in the process of this. So I palm twist it. I have my one. You can clip it up out the way. I'm just gonna attach it with one clip to here just for the time being. And then I take my second dread. You can do it in whatever pattern you like. Sometimes if you come a dread, like if you end off with 3 dreads, I'll just twist those together and they'll still have the same look when you're done with the whole head. After it dry, it'll still be crinkly. So taking my second dread now, retwisting it. So I got this dread and I have this dread. I'm gonna take that clip off. Both of these are twisted to the right, so you're going to twist them. When you join them together, you're going to join them to the left. So if you're twisting to the left, you're going to join them to the right. Just depends on how the person's dreads are twisted. So we join them by twisting to the left. And you're going to twist it all the way to the end. Usually the hair will stay together on its own with no clip or anything. I'm gonna do one more to show you guys. I just try to twist it all the way till I can't twist anymore. So now that is complete, as you see. I'm gonna do one more to show you guys. Guys, everything might look a little ashy and flaky right now with the product, but once it dry, you are not going to see any of that. So y'all, now we are finished. We're done all around, and I'm about to give him a spin so y'all can see exactly how it came out. So yeah, we are finished. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Comment down below if it's some other stuff you want to see, like some styles maybe. Yeah, and here go the final results.